go, the goat, the rice and peas, the barbecue, the jerkin, and the fresh veg.
Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome and thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef Adrian Morris and you're watching Morris Time Cooking.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing a waste, nothing a dash way.
Alright, you know the vibe go on Sunday, you know. And we'll deal with some chicken. Or do some barbecue on the grill. So I clean it up nicely. Yeah, man. Clean off the excess skin and them thing there. Yeah. So when you're doing the barbecue, you know, we don't like to break it up, so we like to keep it whole like this. So you trim off all of the fats. Yeah. So we clean out that proper. Yeah, man, clean out that properly. Break that. Broke it tie. Yeah, man. With a knife. You know, you want to scrape off it. Make sure you get off all of the excess feather. But the good thing about this, we're going to be throwing this on the barbecue and the grill. So we're going to burn off any other excess feathers that may be there. But you still want to clean it up properly, right? So now that's what we have. Anything I have extra, as I may say, trim off a little bit of the fat. You still want a little bit, you know, to give you flavor, as well as to keep the chicken moist while it's on the grill. Alright? So how much I have? I have 4 leg and thighs here. I will clean them up just like that. Nice. I'm gonna wash it with some lime and vinegar water. So we're gonna give that some vinegar. I'm gonna wash those nice and clean. So we're gonna leave this to rest in this vinegar water for a few minutes, and then we're gonna drain it off. Get some fresh water. I'll rinse that off. So fresh water to rinse. Alright, there we go. Gonna pot dry these and prepare them for seasoning. Nice and clean. And there we go. Set this aside. Alright, so I have some fresh onion in. 1 fresh onion. I'm gonna go in with some garlic. And about a head of garlic, right? Gonna add a little bit of oil to that. I'm using here some olive oil. Alright, so we have here the onion and the garlic. We just want to blend those by themselves with a little bit of oil. So this is what I want. Just the garlic and the onion. This can help us to get a fresh note in our food, right? Let's scrape that out. There we go. Gonna add that to a jar. Beautiful. So there we go. That's the onion and the garlic. Nice fresh note. Set this to the side. Alright, what we're gonna do, we're gonna do up some Scotch bonnet peppers. We're gonna add a little bit of oil just to help blend it. Alright, we're gonna blend that. So Scotch bonnet by itself. Here we go. Nice. Alright, so whoa! There we have some Scotch bonnet by itself. Right? And this is if you need any Scotch bonnet, you can just pick some. Because sometimes not a lot of person can manage the spice. You just want some fresh garlic, some fresh onion, or in this case, you just need some Scotch bonnet to throw into your food. You don't mix it with anything but the Scotch bonnet, right? Alright, there we go. So we have all that Scotch bonnet nice. So now we have the Scotch bonnet, we have the onion and the garlic, and these we're going to be using these to flavor our food. So we're going to set this to the side. Alright, so now we're going to be seasoning up our barbecue. I have it outside in the sun for a little while. Reach up to room temperature. We're going to add some all-purpose seasoning on here. Just enough to season it up nicely, about 2.5 tablespoons, depending on your meat, right? From there, I'm going to go in now with half teaspoon of black pepper. That nice fresh Scotch bonnet pepper. You know, barbecue a little bit spicy. You're going to go in it about a half teaspoon, because that's a good amount of spice, right? Tablespoon of that onion and garlic. If you have green seasoning, you can do this, but I wanted to make it this way, right? And then we're gonna rub that up nicely. Yeah, man. Rub that up beautifully, and the flavor that you're gonna get is phenomenal. Don't be shy. Go underneath the skin, because that's what matters, right? Underneath the skin. You see that? You want to go all the way under the skin. There we go. Clean that up nicely. There we go. We're going to set this to marinate. Siwea. Come in. Pimento leaf from down at Jamaica, you know what I say? Add some on here. And then the chicken on here. And we're just gonna keep that rolling. And we'll keep that liquid. So cover that down. And we're gonna allow that now to just cook. Ooh. Our barbecue is up here going. Getting that flavor from the pimento berries, you know, from the pimento. Kind of flip them over. Get some flavor on this side. Yeah, and everything's smelling good. I realize I put the barbecue up at the top because I don't want to char them just yet. Just want to get some color on them. All of that juice, we're going to be using that to spread on here. There we go. So let's go see what we have in here. Look at that. See the chicken getting some nice color. Beautiful. Look at that. Cover that down and cook. Chicken is almost ready. Look at that. Ooh. You see that beautiful color that's coming out slowly? I would have it over direct heat. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that juice running. You see, man. Look at that. Look at the juice running from the chicken. Holy. Look at that, man. Beautiful. Juice just dripping. And we're gonna apply the barbecue sauce now. At this point, yes, are the favorite barbecue sauce. Alright, so we are now. Beautiful, see there? Ready to go. Beautiful barbecue, see there? Nice and easy, you know what I say? So there we go, the goat, the rice and peas, the barbecue, the jerk on, and the fresh veg. Let's go.
Leave a thumbs up on the video, leave a comment below. And say if you love my vibe, don't forget to hit subscribe. Jano, try it out at home. You won't be disappointed. Once again, thank you very much for watching. You see, until next time, safe travel upon the gravel. And go and big up on yourself.